Pipe Management Australia is a leading utilities management service provider operating on the east coast of Australia. For over 10 years, we've been helping cities, councils and private organisations to identify, solve and maintain the flow of stormwater and sewer drain networks. But we don't consider what we do to be about pipes so much as it is about people. At the helm of PMA is over 50 years of combined experience navigating and anticipating the problems faced in the service and maintenance of utilities, bolstering the expertise of our incredible hardworking team. From the centre of our oldest cities to Australia's largest local council, PMA works safely behind, below and above the scenes to keep our communities flowing freely. From carefully uncovering hidden utilities to reliably managing major amenities, PMA is always working to keep you one step ahead, whatever the job. It's this forward-thinking, solutions-focused approach to our work that has seen us grow from small teams in Sydney to 60 highly skilled experts across the east coast of Australia. Engaging PMA for your project goes beyond simply choosing a supplier. It's a decision to partner with us to solve site-based issues or eliminate them before they arise. With an overbuilt toolkit at our fingertips, PMA has a wide range of capabilities that include pipe and drain maintenance, gross pollutant trap management, non-destructive digging, CCTV inspection, and patch relining in stormwater and sewer systems, industrial vacuum loading, utility service location, as well as an ever-expanding offering of civil and industrial services. At PMA, we have invested generously in the development of our team and equipment. So, whatever the job at hand, we can confidently and safely take care of it. From the latest in drain cleaning recycling to the sheer power of our vacuum excavation units, PMA is equipped to get the job done, day in, day out.